cool, stunning. Let's pick our neon green. Drop one. And then pink. Just let it there. It's kind of blend it together. Wipe off the brush and dip in the monomers. Gonna using ours brush to give it a little swirl. Ta-da! It's really simple, and look at that. It's really thin though. Just pick just smaller. I would say it's about a size of, what should be a size as to compare? Maybe the bead is about the size of the crystal, like this. Oh, I almost dropped it. Just about this size though. Just about a size like a 6 millimeter times 8. So like really smaller size. It looks huge under the camera, but do smaller beads, because when you do smaller beads, it still have time. When you do marblings, you want to keep a little bit the ratio a little bit wet instead of getting too set. It's too perfect, then it's make your ombres and marblings a little bit harder. So I'm gonna pick up like my, I don't know what is it called this, because I mix it myself. So when you get so many glitters from Glitz, what you're gonna do, you will like become your expert of mixing a lot of fun, cool glitter. They're all cosmetics grade, so you feel free to play with them. Will not suggest you put in your face with condensed glue gel though, but if you have a cosmetics like a glue that you can put on, absolutely. But don't put condensed glue gel on the skin though. Hold on, I got something stuck in my, what did I do with that? My little star is stuck there. There you go. Ta-da! Hi Jelly, how are you? Couture glitter, absolutely. Copyright. That's right, Brazil. I agree 100%. So I am going to cap this. That's such a really good. That's a good names. Brazil. Couture glitter. All right, so for a lot of you are starting your business, starting in your nail journeys, and start open your salons or have your own private suite or your studios. When you start with that, there's a lot of things that you want to be aware of. It's one of the things that you want to name your salons, name your business is just really is one important, because it's gonna going along with you for a long time. So make sure whatever the name you pick, you want to have exclusive for you, then make sure you trademark yours name. Thank you, Brazil, for a great like suggestion. What colors you want to see ombre on this one though? Maybe I should do that one though. You think? Yellow. Ta-da! I think one of ours nail TikTok were talking about that. Did we? I think so. That's important. That is to protect for your business. I want to share a lot of information. Make sure you are getting your business. Make sure you get your business as a LLC. There's a lot of things. There's a lot of details. I got an opportunity to train 1,000 salons, and I want to see every single of you to be successful. Just don't random name as a name, because someone might trademark the name already, and then you can be sued for that if you're using their name. So just be aware. It's going to be a great content that we're talking about the nail TikTok though. Dom, I miss it. I did yellow. That is good, Nix. You name your business after all your kids, the initial your kids and your name. Great. Make sure if you want that name owned by you, trademark that name. That makes sense? So you can be unique name is so much as possible. I mean, is as you love. But if someone could name something similar and you can't own that name. If you have everything on the paperwork and stuff, you can't own that. I hope it makes sense. I know we need to get a whole entire different talk about that, huh? To help. Does anyone want to hear about that topic? I'm really passionate about that. I want all of you to be successful. If you're thinking to open the nail salon in the future, that will be one of really cool topic though. How to get started, what to do to get started. Hello, Cynthia. Cynthia, I'm addicted to watching your live yesterday. I'm gonna add one of this on. That is like a rock yesterday with all the live videos. Oh, hold on. I found one of my glow in the dark. She's right there, but I couldn't get her. Because I'm far away from her. Hold on. Oh, I couldn't get her. Now I get a bunch of butterflies. Look, I got the yellow butterflies. And now I'm gonna cap it. Artistic, yes, no one talk about that. No one talk about that?
Well, about a topic. So when you gonna do it? Yeah, that's a topic you want to talk about. Because really talk about that.
Okay, thumbs up if you want to hear about that. And what you should go sole proprietors or is LLC. Thumbs up for me to motivate. I need to have one of our BA talking with us. Or maybe we should like streaming it. And then 4 of you will tune in my stream and ask about question, Q&A ready. And I invited you. You can ask question. We can assist you. Oh, that's going to be awesome. No, because I'm not sure. It's all different school and program they do. But they'll be surprised at a lot of things that you don't know when you was in the school. It's just not only doing beautiful nails. There's so many things, okay? There's so many things that it will relate to it, like insurance to protect your business. Just in case something happened you didn't expect to. Any things with like lawsuits, a lot of things. So it's great for the salon to get to know that because you want to be successful. Also, you want to protect yourself as well. Okay, now I cap all the clears and we are going to let it set. I said I'm going to do 2 nails, but I love you all so much. I always end up with 4 nails or maybe 10 nails or